Imagine being able to say goodbye to all your monthly subscriptions. Also, you can get more, better features and best support for a low one-time fee. I'm talking about getting unlimited Autoresponder, Funnel Builder, and webinars for a low, one-time payment only. Now, you can get rid of expensive monthly subscriptions from these platforms. Introducing Infinite Core. Infinite Core is an all-in-one marketing platform to allow you to send unlimited emails, create unlimited funnels and webinars for a low one-time fee, for a record low one-time fee. Infinite Core allows you to enjoy unlimited access and no limitations. Pay once and use forever. Stop paying expensive marketing software subscriptions. 100% newbie-friendly interface. Host unlimited funnels, autoresponders, and video meetings for a lifetime. 24/7 personalized support from specialized marketing geeks. 180 days money-back guarantee. Newbie-friendly and easy-to-use software. With all of this, you'll get a one-time fee for lifetime. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on expensive subscription-based platforms when you can send unlimited emails, create unlimited funnels and webinars for a low one-time fee. Check how simple it is. Use Infinite Core and generate sales and profit while saving up hard-earned money. It's a simple three-step process. Step 1. Log in to our secure web-based server. Step 2. Choose your preferred service, e.g. high-converting website funnel or others. Step 3. Enjoy more features with one-time fee and start getting more profits with Infinite Core. Here's what you can get with Infinite Core. Infinite Core saves you thousands of dollars in monthly subscriptions every year, while getting the better, faster, and more customer-friendly services than any of our competitors. The value that you're getting, it's fair to charge $100 per month. The best part is, there's no monthly fee either. We're making it affordable for anyone to use all marketing platforms at just $17 for lifetime. But hold on, that's not everything. We're also offering 5 fast action bonuses that help you get the best results with Infinite Core. Remember, you're covered with a 180 days money-back guarantee, so it's totally risk-free, and 100% money-back guarantee for you. Price increases every hour, so click the below button and secure your copy now at a low one-time fee.